Looking for reliable replacement batteries for your solar garden lights? Today I'm reviewing the GEILIENERGY 1.2V AAA NiCd 600mAh rechargeable batteries. These are specifically designed for outdoor solar lights and come in an 8-pack. Each battery is a 1.2V 600mAh Ni AAA cell. They use the power of sunlight to recharge, making them a perfect eco-friendly choice. Installation is straightforward. Simply remove the old batteries and insert these. However, there's an important tip. Remember to keep your solar light switch on during the day so the battery can charge. One key thing to know about NiCd batteries: they have a memory effect. To maintain their capacity and lifetime, it's best to fully discharge them before recharging. The manufacturer suggests using the battery in your solar light by placing it at dusk so it discharges fully overnight. If the next day is sunny, the battery will fully charge in about 5 to 6 hours. This routine helps maximize performance and longevity. These batteries are a great replacement for older NiCd 300mAh or 600mAh AAA size batteries. They work well in most solar garden lamps, pathway lights, and other outdoor solar fixtures. In my tests, they held a charge nicely and kept my lights glowing for the expected duration. One thing I appreciate is the value. You get 8 batteries in one pack, which is enough to refresh several lights around your yard. They are reasonably priced, making them a cost-effective solution for maintaining your solar lighting system. In summary, the GEILIENERGY 1.2V AAA NiCd 600mAh batteries are a solid choice for anyone needing to replace solar light batteries. Just follow the discharge and charge guidelines to get the most out of them. If you're looking for dependable performance at a good price, these are worth considering.